Scandal erupts Teacher and netball student caught in shocking viral video. A shocking viral video involving teacher and a netball student has surfaced, sparking outrage and an investigation by Sissoko. Learn more about the scandal that has everyone talking. A disturbing video has surfaced online, sending shockwaves through the community and raising serious concerns about the conduct of a teacher and a female student at an undisclosed high school. The video, now viral on social media, depicts a man, alleged to be a teacher, engaging in inappropriate behavior with a student inside the teacher's staff room after school hours. The video was reportedly leaked by another student, who claims that the teacher had given him his phone to record netball practice sessions. What began as an innocent request turned into a scandalous revelation when the student discovered the inappropriate footage and decided to share it online. The female student involved is a key player on the school's netball team. According to her classmates, she regularly attended evening training sessions with the teacher. One student, who wished to remain anonymous, said, "She's always been one of the last to leave after practice, and we often noticed them staying back together after everyone else had gone." This has led to widespread speculation among other students, particularly within the netball team. Some teammates had already suspected that something was amiss due to the frequent private meetings between the teacher and the student. Every day when training ended, they would stay back at school together. It became a regular occurrence, one of the netball players revealed. Since the video was leaked, the alleged teacher has not been seen at the school. Authorities have made attempts to locate him, but so far, these efforts have been unsuccessful. The female student in the video is believed to be in the 10th grade. Given the serious nature of the incident, the Center for Investigation of Sexual Offenses and Child Abuse, Sissoko, has stepped in and is urging anyone with information about the teacher's whereabouts to come forward or contact their nearest police station immediately. This scandal has not only brought the school into disrepute, but has also sparked a broader conversation about the safety and protection of students within educational institutions. As this situation continues to unfold, we will keep you updated with the latest developments. Stay tuned to 876newsja.com for the latest updates on this developing story and other news that matters to you. We are committed to keeping our readers informed as new information becomes available.